Hi, I'm Renee and I'm an Aboriginal health worker. Did you know you can get a free bowel cancer screening test? It's free, quick and easy. If detected early, almost all bowel cancers are treatable. Inside the kit you will find a participant detail form, a pamphlet, instructions, 2 test tubes, 2 toilet liners, a Ziploc bag, and a replied paid envelope. The test involves collecting 2 tiny samples from 2 separate poos. First step is to write your name, date of birth, and date of sample on the test tube. Step 2 is collecting your sample. Do a wee and flush the toilet. Put the liner inside the toilet, writing facing up. Do your poo on the liner. Open the collection tube by twisting the cap. Scrape the tip over the poo and place it back into the tube. Close it tight, give it a little shake. Flush the liner and poo down the toilet and wash your hands. Step 3 is storing your sample. Take your test tube and place it inside your Ziploc bag. This now goes into your fridge or esky, not in your freezer. It's important to get your second sample from your second poo as soon as you can, and then repeat the steps 1, 2 and 3. Step 4 is to send off your samples as soon as you can. Place the participant detail form and your samples inside the reply paid envelope and mail within 24 hours. Your results will be mailed to you and to your healthcare professional a few weeks after you post it. And that's it, 4 easy steps to keep yourself strong and healthy for yourself and your mob.